Say, Omo de ne bo mano. Erika J.B. Mache.
Mini, I want to share me also.
Now, what to say?
Nyame ado mama hene na wonso e.
Me ho ye pa. Yeni komo tiawa. Omanhene dada na probo Bruno East na wonso so di akotene e wo Bruno East die. Na ye beba won chen ana. Ye di kan Mabru bebre wa Ghana ha omo edo omano tu mo say my bets na ye the tax ato so no 10% no Adea Akye so omo bo afu pa eno ayete Omanhene dada nu mo asem say oba review sa tax no ye toso mienu licensure exams so say e needless oba cancel eno no eda ho ena face so say obi biara oye minister wona ban mu so obete say what is sikako si ana $100 there obe prosecute pa ebi mo say obapenjo mama aso oba ne sawe na de bim si o ase watete se nkrofo mpe no no so ka bi wada roma me emra ho chen wo bom nkyeremu sei
Me da say anope de mechia asanteman na menchia na no te kokoso Omanhene ni nyina ne say abrobo na se obono mantemu na the essence of this particular visit I say building the Ghana we want together.
That's right.
And you know ye kwa answer na ye nko mantem no mono omu invite groups into ye ko sunyani say obetwa RFA chairman e wo hobi Ghana Bar Association president e wo hobi rule safety like head of various institutions you know ye frɛ from nyina na ya mo akwanya say enema ben omo susu se ye ne omo nyina ka bo mo bu oman omo susu se ye ya be boas political party oman so beka in 2020 before answer na ye be start ye manifesto the people manifesto so kai pa
me kai pa
ye bo pro jeje Ghana for adwin pi e ho na union on say ne adwina ye tro because you see erikeji office man hinkro no de ha no ho no e different from the otikumase anameboa
okay.
So when you go to the doorsteps of the people now unya de uhia and sa baby ahodo aye born to idea kopie buno east ni nyina baby ani wo monka bet na sem me kai se e ko techiman Farouk training college school ni ba ko ba also level 200 e training college no 2 years na allowance emma ono bet na utwa bet na eno na odi bdd eno bi na odi tia ne fees enti aban a wumpia ne allowance emma no aso apenisika kwa kutwa ne bet na bet ne na so bet di afi so de omo ne wonya adwene so the dia ye ko ye bia na era no and me in person I am against that policy because masa no mu ayese system no mu again and ways to even survive in the system is so pathetic in the way say one continue mu anhwa wunya ebi dia obefa so emebunu no nsem na mo ka no na ye one listening leader that was so tiomo and I know say all these things will be part of the manifesto because Omanhene Mahaman said ba omi odin so gina nanum kasa and this election now is about credibility of the messenger say messenger no your trofo message no dey ba no your trofo and this Mahama kasa ne na laji ba omi agina ho kasa you could clearly see say ba your trofo so the betting aspect we will review it as he said. Secondly, Adea Akye teacher trainees for Nasama ya ne say Omanhene zone ya me so me de ne say misuamra meboa
yeah
na emra na misuano enra na me say me nua pani ko jo pon kroma ya analysis bi me sere sa ya ye wo law school yesua de sisi me wo me final year ocho first year exams o pass na ko final year ocho final year exams na o pass ya your more certificate as a lawyer no wa kwa your privilege your privilege ni we are practice as a lawyer one said it here no
that's right
now you was to two more years de no your ma kwan bia the boss no miensa for your internship any of the law firm and as a court sounds na kwada no wo teacher training college no or ko school no fie nine or wo school mo wo sua de no ma kwan your teaching practice ana meboa okoye ni teaching practice na what's in school no abai we so on sign kwen in national service na ni certificate na dia ma ni school mu esumbo no eno so achi no wasan control license exams so obi betimi pass training college awawie no kuta certificate so a training teacher But under President Akufo-Addo, licensure exams one pass you can teach. In 2016, you can say a was a licensing teacher for. Now, license now was a licensing teacher for no. You found master exams. You say appraiser. Appraiser no school authorities now the deba teacher knew or born home modern then call out trust of how you say teacher knew there be of a book or bus book and of say no upon say those are the things I need the best assessment. There's nowhere in 2016 you can licensure exam. Yes, a license. So now a lawyer now where we school not passing the exams in our license, lawyer and your licensure exams. What am I say pa? And how come say akwadana wakoye be 50 courses a training college. Now we passing the exams. Now by say buying post na buying say there be media consider be abeto. This all control licensure exams pass my post 2. And you clearly see say for the past 6 to 7 years when we implemented this licensure exams. Omanhene and kwada 1,000 e betra emu dodo na the fail meboa.
Yeah.
Adentina ye create sa head na dia man kwada no. And what we are saying is that can in 2020 it was also stipulated in our manifesto say by the time. Because some year ma just imagine say my over show near training college. Amane we are seeing better fee. Now one opa o sorry for teenage jumamu a wa seeing the momo Sompa did. Doesn't make sense. And these are critical issues. And now get this yes sit tag for no or my issue statement. I mind and yes sit tag for the issue you. Prince Chade were table training college. President Kofota no 8 Emma DC no honor. On none of them people about cycle pre DC when ya and not your table politics no. But the question I may be sound say I send first to school for one. Teacher for the year no more school for.
I to go for an economy.
I didn't say your teenager home. And when him said the session offer. And not target for no see two statement and I just say your authorities make any fake because I'm at school more. I'm no more years for motive here, I'm 7 years in impose to be more training teachers. All because what your license shall pass it. As I'm saying, what training formula. As I'm saying, what training you shall pass it. Oh, I know what will be that.
Okay. Mame found 24-hour economy. The vice president has spoken about it. And was remantem all the anonymous saying in Komodie and was say the former president's proposal to introduce 24-hour economy. No, many sectors are already operating 24 hours, but Omanhene Yaw, it is not a thought out policy. I hear John Mahama has a new idea and he wants to run a 24-hour economy. I say, where did he? But I say, where did he get this idea from? It is not a bright idea. A 24-hour economy cannot be legislated by government. Today, there are many businesses that are already working for 24 hours. Hospitals are open for 24 hours. You can buy electricity for 24 hours because of digitalization. You can transfer money for 24 hours. There are many job bars and restaurants that are open for 24 hours. The police is working for 24 hours. The security services are working for 24 hours. So what is this 24-hour economy that you want to bring? Operating 24 hours is an issue for businesses. If you make more money opening hours, there is no law preventing it. This is an idea John Mahama thinks he has brought. It is a bad idea. It is an idea that has not been well thought out. Who here no say?
Hey, Omanhene, why statement now can you?
The Vice President, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
You run now or say or $2 this after no come IGP. You answer now, okay?
The Bacho Noir.
Oh, me any credibility in Ghana politics. You see, masses of the youth in this country who Bawumia saw a joke or a comedian in politics.
Yes. Eric Ye.
Yes.
Eric.
Eric,
Miss Now, tell me, Eric. Eric, I have known you for years. I've had a lot of discussion. This is in bad taste, please.
Thank you very much.
Describing the president joke, no, please. Young Kasa, he's the vice president.
Let me tell you this. This is the president And vice president, Obepa Kunya, the maybe Okono. Nanu Pia Wokruma, only general about economy. On the Katrina Ghana for say, what $1 within 100 days, at the Safuakoma IGPS and Tiapitu. And then no $1 and 12 cities. And the Alaji Baumia and a fool, a course to the sense, and not a liter of fool, and number 30 cities. And the Alaji Baumia cement war a dumping from 27 cities could do 100 Ghana cities. And the Alaji Baumia unemployment rate increased to 30 to 14%. And the Alaji Baumia Ghana a public debt a free, but be a net about 120 billion. I could do 800 billion. And the Alaji Baumia, you banned from the marketer, you call Eurobond marketer, you sikabi. And the Alaji Baumia and the pensioners at your musica koto bank, you crown out the koto bonda, ye DD, ye for musica fed. And the Alaji Baumia and a Chief Justice, a complicating our finance ministry. And the Alaji Baumia and a net Ghana economy not Diego into a knife today. Ye baba ye politics for the next election. Not Alaji Baumia will be any politically is a chronic liar. And with the guts to ask questions about 24 hours economy. Let me educate you more here. The 24-hour economy now here can. I don't interest I'm not by the Usu no. And then interest talk push and KGT you near man I do an wafano. On 24 hours economy. What we said, we are coming out with a policy called 24 hours economy. And those in the private sector, it is going to be voluntary. And I'm a boy. The entire can't say, answer a private sector at the end of the day, I was here more incentive packages. It is Excellency John Dramani Mahama, you call Sunyania, you call Calibishop Conference Program, that's a bono, Sunyania that is at 50 no. Or can say, the program for the private sector won't be compulsory, a very voluntary, but private sector will be participating in that, you be money tax exemption, which you may pay. And then under tax exemption, I can President Kufuor pencil. Now, contain enter TC hotel, our airport, our Krahano. Oh no, man, tax exemption millions of dollars. But we are saying, sir, private citizens now companies like Siena or Mobile willing so on be pretty 24/7. No, we are going to give that tax exemption. Yes, I can say yes, I want for another tariff to say the meter no, yeah, the beba. And the companies are on willing, sir, on the quote to that program no. We will give them that tariff measure, It is about so many no more running 24 hours, electricity bill, but no more here, and no more one side meaning I cry then, and you pay. Okay. My new team,
me too.
A policy, where you know on your kind. What we are saying is, in 24-hour economy, the key thing is security. The security of our country is paramount because, and I don't know also because I was so big one at home by. So this will give the government of the day opportunity to recruit mass people into the security services. There ought to be proper transport system. I know some 2 weeks ago, you can probably with Germany, Spain, and other places. Me call ya idea back one. Many deal almost system in now where I control said an air for mount. In the phone number far, your bus system, a year Juma Kama. It a year Juma Kama. Nedia Baumiamaka so Mobayamana Fastro no be dear perform. A year Juma Kama. We Musen now pass for a year Juma Kama. So in running 24-hour economy, all those sectors of economy, and the government of the day now is stakeholder, government institution, a government policy,
yes, please.
It is a government policy said we are running 24 hours economy. This was assembly. If it time we call time we are. Oh my one uncle. A member Tifia will be at 7 years so near Jumana. Your employer no not shift to money be by a bonnet. What I was expecting from Alaji Baumia, aka the chronic liar. The enemy should feel want to say. And Kokujina simply no sono. Obet being a normal economic policy in this country. And we are telling him this election now it is not going to be like 2015 or the trouble, no. This election is about credibility of the candidate and the messenger.
Okay.
Baumia is not credible.
My brother.
Baumia to criticize 24-hour economic policy.
Mame Fausia. Eric, you better say you come up you. Eric, now to send the class. Omanhene, Mami Chente Honkaka, and some other today.
No, the radiasi. Nano Sami, I was in Techiman on Sunday. President by, in fact, Namekani entourage in one. Yeko from Asori way to another. Or Kasai Kama. Na Eric Yesreno. Ukasem the Obekana ateni nkanwa no enkoye omrana omfasem no nkan de opeso oka na asumdwe mra because so bi su dis excellence atamam nyini se be ne de na enkoye nim sa asem na mampani dada John Dramani mama kan se oba corruption ono de onso so na bem uye obechiwo me metimi agina di akwan bi so sanse Victoria Hama wankase wanye sika no de bia me kasa sasa me excellency oni maame na nini yi enne yi wo transia obunso oni na nini yi se me sim me die me nya seska ya any private conversation awo no obidi eno no yetumi pamono e ma no kotra fie se wonko nyama bem na abepe $1 million e mo pamono tu so kase ono na bem se MPP NDC to abano mano Ghana for to abamano no be mampani na ukoye ketase hye proye na usomu a onye jawa metimi aginedi because wa yebi ama yehu ye ka credibility wansema yesere ye Ghana ha ene ese be ka se one time premium e buy atame se breso so mo ka se first health insurance ye be one time premium e be sine se ne wochena ne ye be sa one time premium no enti obia wona niam bi no mu wo wona ho a oye bi ya oye bi ankoyi enti ye ka ye nka ne nyina na ye hu way forward de betumi aboa wo man no me say abato we ne ye beto 2024 no eye de wo betumi aye de waye pen de me nsom semeye eno na Ghana fo ne hwe no mo fanto aba na nye se bia ye be kan semwa na bra na me ade ba ko misuro. They say my bet nature say yade papa abe bad dia ye nyina ye mfie hunyima ene asof ma me fo mo me yenso mfie hunyima
my bet no
so mo say ase eto na ye tene kura enye
I also be review.
Eti dia ye asof ma me fo bo
Erika Jesus say ono no ewie ma ye se
because uko chane
your boys ni bebre say sa sika na o ma pani tete wo mo no onya
no
twa my bet
eno say an what wonya wom se no na fi omu wi se o mbetwa no benya kakra eni asof ma me fo de hu beji obu ama
as I put my bet
wa ma kire me se
asante abo
kire me se de twa no
asante abo ma me tiu na fe mi kom ya
o man me giri se
o hi ni pre bet twa
on se mahama mampeneda mahama na ka se yentie no events message for all this while na yentie the person wey last week no dey say 24 hour me bu mu and this week na Friday no so no Saturday ni bebu mu no teacher license exams na so be free ho no enra so wasa ka
say my bet ne
my bet ni say na ban mu
wa obedi sika wa ko shem pass
ana I apparent reference to mame
Cecilia Dapa o yin ni mame John Adea Abodi
abrapa
e wa no be busa abrapa asem na kwesi se wo be busa te wo mame no na fa na
me de baby kakra me kan say one with regards to mama time kwa say na point is we mu dem ko gina court any day a hot day obeti na ka say
a quick one
but
Loretta Sraj what's the dino ko haye na ko obetimi atra baby I de man no mo ko haye ntino mame na ko so financial oyi na di Abuga Pele and Bassett omuko prison no Bahama pencil no mo start here any itu no awanye are you getting me there are evidence Victoria Hama crowd there so there asama bebre kraka so ma pani na ni nie mami ba kwa friend say Bass Brandon the late Jifa so if eba ya no man resign here and on the man for investigation it to some extent so my penny your mama cast obey you a dear
obetima jendi kakra
Ghana nia onim 2016 betima ka say no credit because why you be pay just suppose it now nana do so asaki nipa ni bi asaki bi bajaja kon so wa explain the man say ni wasaki no
any dey nansen also
National Youth Authority I saw no so I resign.
That's what beche dollars see.
That's on the
prime minister beche dollars see.
Boss,
one the MP, one
boss, so opamono.
E kwan ha fa so yi ni sika free na.
Yeah, man resign.
The free see account so na so ko yi ni sika.
And I use so back with the say.
Oh, no, who the who baby one e be mam.
Boss to call National Youth Authority. PPA. PPA the end of Muka and person mamma Kumayami.
Do you see sika free account?
Wo bi yachi what me for chira ko yi sika. 40 million Ghana cedis.
Ya ko yi sika.
Adea want me oh chacha dem dem person meti. And no corruption extraordinary.
Esa papa sra
No,
was.
me corruption what dey.
Send drunk come metan fat me yale ba. Sra was.
But the plan is that me 24-hour
economy.
Oh my 24-hour economy no.
I mean cancer ejenim 2004. Ghana water. No wo no no man panic for sake no. Ono no okoto stationary for 10 years no. Okoto stationary for 10 years. That time no nyanyini 2004. Oto stationary as CEO for Ghana Water Company. Say enfie du stationary wakoto.
Edi go.
Na people say
wo kra wa ba twam kra wo ba be yusu.
Hello man panic for pamo no. Dia dra ko se PPA.
O my me dey Mahama 24-hour no. Economy no o me chichi mu nche Ghana for.
Enchemu no na hoye. Se se aba me ebom tokro.
Me enchemu na ho ne say on se to si kan
so say na jo mo ye jo beju o mo tax job ba
o start kasa na
doctor
uko district bi o mo ji o
ana jo job ba for you take it
doctor Yamanpa say on ATC
boy ebije ebije I am for Japan
bi aba ni o me tutu preko yi
so omo charge omo ji omo
hey this plus, but I'm a course, I don't
the American say, yes, on my explaining things to us better because the antenna may be asking. You go into this, oh no, you say, a base, a band sector, Bia, and my Yaman, Dr. Yamanko, TUC boss, or because youth. You're going to get jobs.
Maybe or see youth get ready for jobs. Now for say, now we can pay my mama. I don't say, Debbie.
So the adwuma ne hia no. Say boys ni benya adwuma ye.
Because you know, private sector no ntimi nhye no enya compose mama na ba beka. The private sector no security no opposite for say dey ka ho.
Also obe fa bia ka ho.
Na mom ye adwuma this assemblies no so e bia e betuma fa nipa be say 2% kwa na be chire amna ba nwumna be fence 8
but this assembly na adwuma no by the close of day no mo nye nwie ya.
And the point is that you were gonna have and I say abanduma ye for no. Apart from teacher for no me abanduma no. Omo ye adwuma ye wada no mo pon. Friday no mo nya hweu. So we be awadwe ma so Friday.
And Monday su bebre.
Friday we call be awia be 12. Enti no adwuma na nkasa no say some omo yehu. Say so adwuma no ho no omo nya omo yehu. You go bi ho a opesanka adwuma emranim ntin ko betwe bi adwuma be say 5-6 na akoye ne ma bi wa assembly obakọ na omatum na ono so wontimi anko na ne nema wo adwetwe science ko ba say enipa ka kra bi ko ba hachire.
But my issue is with the wage bill. If government is to increase police military, now you will brofubia wa ham you see a friend say finance for brofuno. Financial clearance.
Yeah, financial clearance.
Unya ya untimi fe nipa. Se economy no ahode no kire se atete apansan. Sika ni ho. It is all the 24-hour economy bar. Now we increasing police workforce. It means you are increasing your wage bill. Do you have the wherewithal? Sika ho.
Oh my, na make say na na do timi ye free SHS. On say amemo ye priority.
Priority.
Anyema hia wa person wo ye.
It is your mama bet my say policy employment.
Say men
spend a lot of money. Okay. He can do it. I agree with you. Yaw.
Akota 24-hour ketwe na me dey be so ne ye ka erase concerns about security ne police for ne soldier for asem. Akota won say we private people are omo ema police for ne soldier for be guard omo fie a omo tu ya ho ka. Nti adenti na ye increase ye police for total ye say nam 30,000 or say 35,000. Say on 35,000 na e bia ye mfa enye adwene say be increase e dey akọ 50,000. Ne start engage sika for no a office okofa private ebia security onyene nie no ye engage omo se be ma 2 police officers e wo fie ebia each police officer 1,000 Ghana cedis so aban no ebia e wo ebia say 1,000 bi o de be so police officer ne so o tia neka akuta police service no omo ye adwuma ne nyina they raise revenue for the government too but dem fan hye papa nto no mo gigo omo botom omo gina kwa ho adovani o license way o road way tie wu ene hwan no o ticket mawa o say automatically utia to government corpus mu da bi yenye system say say ye koye ni mu a say ye koye ni mu akutawe it is possible many Alibaba efa etuka efi kuma say ye kwa akra car na ye de ekono na yeni na insurance ewu enti ye ba no around friend say busu junction hono mo e no de machine no enti o de to your son my friend park enti ya no se masa ko car na mo de nam insurance no che insurance kure bi ni hu e na so boss de ban se na hu ye o se bra e no de ade na kire say yankasa bio e na say eh e je say ne mo gadgeta mo betimi dia ya say adwuma we nyina wa bra uko jina hono mo kan say police driver ni say
hono say obetuma to take it amam wo de opa men kotua the next car you know omo wo say ya to take it amawa now bro chire unim sika a day it police service revenue at the ama buy wa bra sa MTT the for almost black and white human Adea no yenyi bebre mfamfiri hono mo so ho okuta sa gadget no de kire car na so na kire say insurance roadway tawu automatically bia a ready car number or say bia car ni tua to clear car number from the machine ontimi nye sikase even cross or this car or this sikase bia ebia who say thank you to him but anya ne o say call aban conference mo it should be automated
just say ye betima ko ye nim bebre 24 hour ne ma na ye kan ye betima ye akota kejetia be si na menti ase say ebo 6 o'clock ye si atu kejetia mu ebia nkofie abra ye si adwane say mall light bomb 24/7 o say ebo say ya tutumo bia nkofie abra ebia me ma pon 7 be pesa that time no and am be dwa kakra. Why?
All that you do is provide security.
Provide security. Light bobo hodida. Provide the security.
Let me bow. Trotro for away. Sir, jam the way the place is jammed. Next a night market or ha. You are trotro for baby on better. Ometu kaba anajo.
Yes.
Because obey the
I know when na be nantie wi na bebo pay
UK omuni Sunday market. They have a Sunday market that almost block streets.
We a doom.
It's Sunday morning.
A doom. $1,
$2, $3. Liverpool Sunday market.
Your doom. And a bank high street.
What do you say?
What do you care?
So almost Sunday crano. Omubaya Sunday market into workers. And your amount for Metonia, Momo Edija or Kwahono. Or Betiasie. And can congest my year. By 12 or pound.
I will tell you Fridays, next Saturday, send your boys, say, Chili Ukruma say, Young Blocky Bantama Street, from G runabout, and so, Edicosi Ebia Boris B. and Nimono. What your Monsa Munkunyano, Emegu Street, and so, boys in Libya. We are the Yahweh. Not young for a system. There for a system, like Nippon. Or told that. No, I'm for already that.
My bed. My bed.
That's all you
There's a brother or corner a Sandy no near the was it already more than I'm there for you?
Okay, Mr. Mumabini Komotiawa. Honorable Collins Santomako, MP of Fija Kwabre. Honorable, good morning.
Good morning.
Now, what to say?
Fija Pondaroma, Minoka said, and I'm here.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumi, I say, Mattis and your mama saw the new idea be 24 hour and was serious. And then Tina Mufi say 24 hour economy no any feasible, any possible. Now it is already running.
Well, me and them, I'm sure with you for now, and I'm sure me employers. If you don't have enough for, and the player and everybody do crowd, we can be in another one more. the say this election we started on the basis of issues. They say one of the problems are okay, Saddam about studio the catcher say the NDC JDM, His Excellency, and say he's been a president before. And you know, your back can be we put it to strict proof. We started in Paul from the Bronx half region. So it's here we're making one or two statements. Now the kind of worship is here someone with a fresh idea, with a new vibe. Okoye, the first Okoye was lost under his tenure and making profits. So Washa, he's been fact checked. It proves from 2013 to 2016, all free Abemono, boss never made any profit. We was had the 24-hour economy aba. Na was a game changer and only bit my turning the economy around. Omanhene, Mr. Wo, Cecia, who fear now yare anadwa. The Bobby 1 o'clock, Oko Hospital, Mr. Hospital, near Juma, and Omapon.
Juma.
The patrol Cecia Meno Casse, who fear so power, electricity offer. Untimin foul phone because of the digitalization agenda, and untimin foul phone and electricity.
Obetimi ato.
The patrol so who fear Cecia, now yare, now do fear. Yes, who NHI card no, untimin foul phone and recharge it and reload it and into a new NHI card no.
Obetimi renew
membership ana.
Obetimi renew.
Okay, the patrol Cecia Meno Casse. The bar weekend me call baby in 1999. I will bantam I will more hokumasa more.
1999 on boss pa.
Me free one about 2 a.m. the patrol 2 a.m. no I'm a pan area.
How much?
Okay. Cecilia me no Casse Minia say anato umame frau send home to dono na say pesca na hospital. Now we see our EcoBank account one. Is it possible to move the money from your EcoBank account into your mobile money account? Now, is it possible and is it possible?
Very possible.
Okay. So, what is the new thing now, Mr. John Mahama, His Excellency Aircan? And that is why I'm saying, his biggest problem is that he's been in government before. When did this whole idea of 24-hour economy come about?
Maybe he's considering, say, a big shop like ShopRite can operate in the night. KJTR can have a night market whereby security, lighting, and transport is provided. Ubetuma do me a new 12 o'clock. Ubetuma call KJTR Kotonyama. Maybe that is what Erica J was explaining.
So, see, the point I'm making is or KJTR or private individuals to say Akramo. Say Akramo will be 24 hours. There has to be an economic value to that. The decision to operate 24 hours no, it's not a policy asset work. Akramo must demonstrate or analysis etc. Say so who be our machine. This is the number of people who come and buy, and so on the basis of that, I'll get this kind of value, and it may be
okay.
And you know, when I heard His Excellency or try to explain it, or say it is voluntary. No? What policy is voluntary? If you have a policy, that will be implemented. I said, the panel pen or yeah. Where is this? What kind of policy is that? On one say a voluntary, which means a ShopRite has the right to operate 24 hours or not, depending on the value of that 24-hour economy in the Bebreno. And as I speak to you, Kumasi, Minunia, Kumasi, who petrol 24 hours, you will be a ton petrol 24 hours. Your pharmacy, it be 24 hours. Your club around 24 hours. Bantama Street will be an Upe Wacha to Bantama 24 hours. So what is the new thing that he's bringing on board? And that is why they America, and I'm repeating, that his problem is that he's been in government before. So anything he says will be put to scrutiny. So far, the first one of the boss a profit is proving that it is false.
Okay. Mami Musawe, a quick one on the licensure and my bet also be review. No, license I say needless or cancel. Betting no so say or review. Can you be on the moment about 2 minutes now?
But license exams no on one ko check it. On manifesto. On one kasa. They wanted to start it in 2016, 2017. That is from them, the same people. And then them make CITAC, College of Education for the Kase. They don't agree with him on that policy no so abolition. They don't agree with him. And them America. Now see Burton, Oba, you abolish it. You will cancel the 10% tax. The contradiction is what is interesting to me. Honorable Ato Forcing, the minority leader said, he wants to abolish it. Or no, minority leader. That's what he's saying. But see, Muntaka, see, yen cancel cry. Leading members of the NDC are arguing. Say it is a disincentive to youth development. Some of them are saying, say, abolish it. His Excellency John Mahama, they will say he will keep it. The best way to keep it is taxes now binding to serve as a deterrent. Only the obeying taxes are free. So I'm a man for Akoswa betting. It may make us say it is the flip flopping and I can't afford to analyze it. But I can tell you, Winnie Abema, media say we've started on the good notes. The campaign is going to be fought on issues. Say the Nemoye analysis, whatever he says, whatever my candidate says, it will be put to street proof. I am happy. So at the end of the day, GDS again will give us another nod.
All right. Let me leave you here. Enjoy your week with Parliament. All the best.
Thank you, my brother.
Okay. When you can't win, that's a 102. 2024, Crabano to be. 2024, Abano so the Ghana near Utima no pay. And can't you also want to about that? And you be that. Because I want to know be to a child in or to a mobile already crowd to you be cancel who votes. Obi anyone who hey we end this in here. And this is from crowd who to for crisis here who here. Go moment near brave power banty apart in you. We MPP near eh it's here butterfly unity. Was no so namaste. Obi and who say Oba be seen so obey deo. Butterfly for the years who move same one. Oh, 2024 will be sweet. Yeah, watch it.
Omanhene. Yes. You there already are. You there already are. You there already are. You can Mrs. Wapom dini nyina so a eyekwa. Tisani a woka na 2024 kora won to be. Waka dem won to be. Echia tiefo nyina awurade aye som no wase yemfa nigye na som no enu nti usu nie nigye saa enema awiwe wo widiem enema nkoyie saa hwe wapom diriye enu de nye politician bi na ebe ya ma wo wasore sofo kora ntimi nyama wo nemom ayewa because wapom dire eya asuriye da wa wo so your health is your own responsibility enye obi na ebe ya ma wo enu nti se utiri oye wo kon ye wo wasol elder onim ho hwe owampi otontamo onim assembly man gora nim eyewa ntitidiye na aduane yesese wudie ne beboa wo eyew future eyew life daache wonkwa na wo bo ho ban future life ye aduane ye die ye mfansi jaso ya ye wie dada ntisa wonsaka wo de ane se wudi nsuo frate sene ye gari anase sunlight bi no ekura 203 vitamins and minerals 19 amino acids, selenium, moduke, inulin, dietary fiber, omega 3. Yedi ni nyina gwaduane ba kum se di ni men na mpam yare emfre wo ho na yare ya. Yare ya o bre. Wanum nuro no saa. Wanum nuro no saa. Owura fie o, said wodi aduro ba wiase no de okato woni se. Ebri biara ma woduane enye woduro na woduro so enye woduane. Tinuro na wo sagu nsem a wo nom ne saa no. Bon answer be kakere ba ka kiro say e was side effect ene na wo koya na wo bai we de e natural food aduane a oba de ne manko a na de aye emfrafra ye bia nim enu ntie fruit nkosi wo na ase de ha wo bia aduane ye sese wo de e beboa wo e wo future e wo life e aduane me say future life e aduane enu nti e fruit nkosi wo na ase de ha wo no bra eya hodoa and this uba na woka sɛ mekɔ na ɛyɛ me ya minim aduane ɛsɛ sɛ mede ma wo mitiri na ɛyɛ me ya minim aduane ɛsɛ sɛ mede ma wo me mogya aborosue atena me so akyɛ minim de ɛsɛ sɛ mede ma wo mɛsa akyerɛ wo ɛnneɛma bi ɛsɛ sɛ wudie ɛfiri sɛ yadeɛ bi wɔ hɔ a yɛnni nnuane bi na mmerɛ ni hɔ sɛ yɛbɛkeka ne nyinaa ɛwɔ afidie yi soɔ tutu anammɔ no bra na gya sɛnea waka dɛm na mede de biara meyare na mentimi ma na mensoma obi no wo soma a yɛsɛ wo nam na dwo wɔ na wotiri mu deɛ ɛntene wo ɛfiri sɛ nneɛma yɛbɛtua wɔ no wɔno de ɔbaeɛ no korɔ no wɔbɛduru wo nkyɛn ne wura fi future life saa na teɛ yɛwɔ deɛ ɛde bɛboa wo ankasa na afei ɛberɛ wodiɛ no na wotumi sɛ ɛyiyi nneɛma bi firi wo mu paa ɛyiyi nneɛma bi ahodoɔ ɛfiri wo mu yare ɛya ɛno nti ɛntena se o me sɛ woanonom nnuro no saa dane wo ho ɛna no pɛi sɛ wopɛ sɛ ɔkenka bible no a kɔ Deuteronomy chapter 1 wode ɛka yɛ akɔsi bɛɛ 10 na wobɛhu sɛ firi nsia ɛkorɔ no onyankopɔn ka kyerɛ Moses sɛ ka kyerɛ Israelfoɔ no mu nna ne wɔ mu ho moatena bepɔ yi so wakyɛ mo nna ne mo ho kakra woanom nnuro no saa fa kɔ aduane boy a me kemi nka sɛ wode agya waduro nom na wode yɛbɛtɔ future life nam sɛ wobɛtɔ future life na wodi na wo sɛ wanhunu hwee bɛgye wo sika kɔ ɛnyɛ ne yɛne nam kurom basa ne bio dabi hwɛ amino acids ɛwɔ mu ɛyɛ 20 nti amino acids yɛ 20 na sɛ future life nkorakora na nti ɛdeɛ yadeɛ ɛna ɛha wo a yɛntimi mmoa woɔ yɛboa wo sɛne yɛbɛyɛ a ho bɔtɔ woɔ na wasɛ sika ɛwɔ nnuro ho ɛno papa bi ɔba am hɔ wasɛ sika ɛwɔ nnuro ho ɛnso ɛnsiw yie dane kɔ aduane na aduane papa ɛbɛboa wɔ ɛyɛ wo future ɛyɛ wo life ɛno nti firi tim kɔsi wo nase yɛbobɔ dira every yɛsɛ me yɛ mmɔ yadeɛ biara dini na mmom deɛ wonim hwee koraa no wonim bayerɛ ɛto ahyeɛ sɛ abɛn ɛno nti na mekamfo de ama wɔ na deɛ meka ne sɛ infections sɛneɛ schoolfoɔ de nsonkuro nsuo ba fie no saa nom de infections no so ɛba fie wodi ɛyɛ kekan ɔmanhene amanyɔfoɔ de ayɛ wo mu hunu sɛ school hɔ no saa ayɛ ne nsonkuro nsuo ne hɔ sɛ bi wɔ hɔ mentimi nhunu ɛno ayɛ wo mu hunu nsonkuro nsuo ne wo su
no sika no em sɛ ɛnkɔ
ayɛ ne sha
sɛ wɔ sɛ ɔmo fumigate
Hey.
assemblies no nka bibi saa na ɔsɔ ɔmo na hwɛ yɛ na sika no kora ɛkɔ ni
ya na deɛ teɛ ne sɛ
wa kufu ado 2020 ba ɔmo yɛ ma ɔmo DC bebree nu ɔmo ɔmo sɛ ne bɛyɛ anka ɔmo anyi
komama oh
ɔmo brɛ brutal sika no go
aha ɛnu nti no oba no
kɔta ho kɔta no
oba no wɔde yadeɛ na aba fie o na saa yadeɛ no esi fie hɔ sɛ ekrim ɛmɛ ɛwɔ hɔ nyinaa ɛnu nti infections ahodoɔ nti oba na yɛ abusa no sɛnea abaza da ɔha nkɔ bɛka no wɔse ayɛ abusa oba baa no oba bɛɛma no na oba bɛɛma no ɛho yɛ ne hene nyinaa ne bɛɛma no ho yɛ ne hene ɛfɔn ɛyɛ ketewa ɔbɛɛ so na yɛase yɛ ne ya otiti ɔbrɛ nsuo bi fi egugu no yɛde ɛbraneɛ mu yɛbɛkyerɛ nneɛma bebree ɛnsɛ sɛ wodie mese sɛ wowɔ nneɛma bi a yɛn wo baeɛ hɔ a yɛbɛkyerɛ nnuane bi a ɛnsɛ sɛ wodie ɛfiri sɛ sɛ wodi saa nnuane no a wɔyɛ adeɛ ne nkɔ da ɛnu nti mimi nim woba na aka yare we kyerɛ maka kyerɛ sɛ aduane we sɛ wodi wɔyɛ adeɛ ne nkɔ da wobɛnu nnuro saa na sika no wɔnya dodoɔ sɛ nko agu dɛm a wode faa agyi nnuro yi ha sɛ ya no wɔnya gu dɛm a wode faa agyi nnuro deɛ nko a da ne ho kɔ aduane pepe sɛ wodi yɛbɛboa wɔ ɛyɛ wo future ɛyɛ wo life na daakye no aduane no a wodiɛ no anɔpa wode future life awia wode ukuro mo aduane wamen anwummerɛ wode future life na me sɛ wo kɔda na wanom life tonic tie ne yie sɛ wo kɔda na wanom life tonic tie ne yie me sɛ sɛ wo kɔda nom life tonic yo nom life tonic yo na saa life tonic no yɛde enua mako aduonu enwɔtwe 28 plants ɛne yɛde ayɛ future life ne yɛde ayɛ life tonic sorry yɛde ayɛ life tonic 28 plants ne yɛde ayɛ life tonic na nneɛma ɛwɔ mu no me sɛ deɛ akyɛ wɔ ho biribi akyɛ wɔ ho aborɔfo kasa mefrɛ ne chronic akyɛ wɔ ho wei deɛ agye nserepe ɛno deɛ woba na me sɛ mede ma wo life tonic ma wo any future life na so wɔ ho no hwee bɛgye sika ne kɔ me na da baabi a wokɔ yɛ agye wo sika no future life yɛ nye wo sika ne sɛ ne nti future life ne boɔ nyɛ den aduane no ebi yɛ 45 cedis ɛno nti bɛɛ deɛ wɔbu apɛm kasa hɛ wɔ mu hɔ gye sɛ wokura 4,000 ne 3,000 no na ɛneɛ na wode taxi ma ɛna nneɛma ɛkɔ fie o saa sika no yɛgye wo baabie no a ɛnso wohunu hwee no yɛyɛ hɔ deɛ ɛne neɛ wode taxi ma ɛna ɛbɛkɔ fie mɛsɛ bra ne yɛnhwɛ wo na yare yɛya wode yɛ aduane na wodie wane nam wɔnum nnuro no saa amoa wayɛ so ɔbaa no wɔ mogye tu no mfirinhyia du mmienu wɔ baabɔ mu no wɔ sɛ wahwere ne nneɛma nyinaa amoa no na wɔte yesu nka no saa pɛpɛɛpɛ na wo nso wodeɛ wanam a wahwere wo nneɛma nyinaa amoa wo wanum nnuro saa amoa wo braneɛ mu aduane papapaa yɛfrɛ ne future yɛfrɛ ne life ɛno na ɛbɔ ɔda akyɛ ho ban aduane no me aboa me ɛboa me nam sɛ kais me ma me nua bi yɛ nsɔfa da ɛwɔ man Ghana ha ɛna me ama kɔfa aba me ana makɔfa aba nti yɛ kekɛn na ɔsɛ wode bɛba me mɛsɛɛ no ɛfiri sɛ menim sɛ nea matena ase a yɛayɛ nnuro no a mede aba saa nnuane no a yɛayɛ no me ma mɛsɛɛ no o ɛno nti na mekamfo ama wo sɛ brasofo line alignment ɛhɔ ne yɛwɔ yɛyɛ adwuma adwuada de kɔsi memene da anɔpa no nwɔtwe ne fa ne yɛapɔn anwummerɛ nonsia yɛyɛ adwuma adwuade kɔsi memene da ɛyɛ holiday o nyɛ holiday o yɛde yɛba ɛhɔ ne yɛwɔ sofo line alignment yɛatoɔ pete wɔ mamu so baabia ɛfiri nkran yɛwɔ Ghana Telecom University opposite Abeka Junction side wobɛnya bi ɛtwam kɔ ɔboase Central Market Mr. Ochre Drugstore nkyɛn hɔ ɛno nti baabi yɛtutu galamsey nyinaa yɛnsu yɛ asɛe yɛmframa a yɛhome asɛe yɛduane a yɛdi asɛe ɛna wote wɔn so wɔka saa akora so asa asɛe ɛno nti wɔ onipa biem bra ne yɛnya ne nneɛma nyinaa ɛma wo nyɛ saa deɛ a yɛadeɛ de wobɛkɔ nseɛ do ne nyame ɔmfrɛ wo call to glory nyame ɔmfrɛ wo wonya aduane papa ni yɛ a woyare awuo no nyame frɛ wo akɔ animonyam mu na ade yɛsɛ ɔsoro hɔ yɛde yɛdie na wɔ hɔ dɛbi anigyeɛ nko a korona wokɔ mu no ahwehwɛ na ne gold sika kɔkɔɔ ɛna wokɔ nante soɔ ɛna wosɔ wogye wo ho ɔnyɛ hu galamsey dabi yɛwɔ sofo alignment me sɛ yɛatoa pete tie nɔmba ne frɛ yɛn ne yɛnkyerɛ wo takyiman akyerɛ nsua sunwane mampɔn agogo afigya ase adwo so ɛhere fa bɛkwae wofrɛ ne a yɛbɛkyerɛ wo sɛne yɛbɛyɛ a wobɛyɛ bi na yare yɛya ɛtwam ne kɔsi sirem yɛ nɔmba si yɛ 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 mese brane yɛnhwɛ no future life deɛ ɛyɛ aduane nko a awurade nhyira mo nyinaa
alright fosani akwaba na wo mpom te sɛn
Omanhene
menim sɛ ɔte hɔ na wobɔbɔ tiribo na yɛhwɛ anim sɛ Samuel Adea Akye ɛyɛ Kumawu DC so ɛbɛbɛ fie ha Secha Franklins former DC Fuseni Donko sɛsia no ɔno yɛ in charge Asante region of
special duties
and operations on and 7 election day special duties and operations election a bit see what 2024 asante mantem ha se be ko yesen ko ya abrante you see hey tutu be gina no so papa special duties sa special no undim special kure politicians one title of special duties operations no gra no who gra special duties anyway yeah touch my dinner so say 25 here Mama say free horse and every kind if we say somewhere will join us on my pension mama and 7 this year I read Dr. Mahmoud Baumia in Etrel Eric Adea Abia what member of parliament for Fijia Kwabre North and so some of the other teacher. One of the issue is that 24-hour economy, licensure exam cancellation, which is to the former president needless. He will not entertain corruption. C2 said he will not only do a clearing agent or Omanhene the Kufado etiri ho twede kakra o se na na do aye clearing agent one de onye sa and now we no was ade sisu dia say my bet obetwam obefi say sa 10% no be review na wahwe kwa be fa so a
betimi cashew board no so best
and the rest of the cashew board neade na ni nyina ko wie say afi the amount for 227 na basane sre as enchiremu na e ba no obi e Canada whether it's possible, whether it's feasible, whether it will see the light of day and no ya dia amount for kaso mampani there na wo ma Ghana kasa national PVC mo you know your friend no national okay mekai mami tio
mami nda wasibium na mi
PVC o tie me asend the bra why
mi nda watie for no so
title amode atomo manifesto no
the dikano matise MPP for apam nipa fobi.
Oh yes, Boabia Samoa Nano Hininto Hobsina Doye and Boniface Abubakar Sadiq. These are top brass.
Yes, anti Hobsina Doye so throw bomb you feed them who MPP Dimuntino and then we no.
Ah, okay, pa.
It say me gini ho amentiase.
Say party ni womra. Ora fi say Mobile 2020 elections. Johnson said you can saki nipa over 40 something because na omoko independent.
Oh yeah.
Or Trokrata saki former MPs and former DCs. Owi osade kokoboto hose. Obi biara or ye party bar or akodi omachino. He should also consider himself sacked. I said you can it in 2020 and it's in lieu to the benefit of NDC say areas are not independent candidate hamono or saki womono mo wene.
Oh no, minka say you. Oh no, don't get me wrong. I'm only asking hope sincere.
It is
that's to throw now of boy MPP
in the name of MPP. Ah, go to court no.
Aye. Oh minka ene ntu party bi achi na oku ntokwa bia na ohwe yie kakra. Because ewiye ne.
Ba mo nyina say omoje party ni mra dinti no omo de
na say
Kojo Alanche Martin
MPP de omo peto na bebre omo peto na ne printers bebre because dia ye de omo be saki bebre pa
amanfo ba ho
na say ejuma afafranto ye no ene na MPP na anhwe a by the time omo ko election no omo pam fan
because bebre so ba
na say we ye omo yi omo anim enche dudu na baba beka ho so ye mo mutiri nkwa omo yire omo ho. Yes, 24-hour economy. I'm saying na MPP for the biano. And I'm for policy alternative mba NDC ye decide say ye be ma ye wura twen kakra because ye ni momo. MPP for ye to say only obi a wa bon te exam hall. Na number 1 answer ye den osi ebia ye Sompa o Simpa spell mami. Sana MPP for subantie. Omu pe copy impa zo copy no copy asay no enti no omu de ne se fa policy alternative ne ba odi ba ya no copy o copy so no asa copy asay no
every before pe copy
me kam tire wo omu ye ho ade papa
I na hear it is
omu ye ho ade
papa ka le to so say o si chefu say dey no obu za say fu say dey ka we ara
so who they are good at it
copy.
Okay, 2020. Omanhene dada Joma Maka say obe reverse luxury tax. Adea Akye na mo ko abolish ye.
Yeah free.
Oka say obe ye okada free. Om so ye be mamo truck drivers ni okada for ye cry ye be mamo car. Oti ase se ne car na afa hin o. Nyame nko anani. Fa okada beje car no se ne. And also they are very good at it. But 24-hour idea apem omo pusa. What I say, omo ni so ebiri omo nti ade na ase. Nti enye me ngwa say minua college ka say club bi operate 24/7. Enye club ase na Joma ha ma ka ho. Otie finance minister so ye kra ye be ye night economy.
Also they are introducing night
economy.
They will enhance the night economy.
Ade we say mo ye deda. After the enhance ben pan say ewo mu biom.
Oh, say be a night economy on beje to no more this time.
You are not getting the point. asama yewura John Dramani Mahama e kana ebri MPP fo ani so ubisa no question bi say ukọ 99 a ehoy omobo so ama de chi ye aden wamfa Shoprite ankoto ade se ne yetu Shoprite mu shops ni bebre na wo mall ho no nyina na yetutu o ti ba say most of the banks ubetimi aye online banking but ubetimi atambok cash akọ deposit there be some of the interface banking transactions utimi nye ekrum ha filling stations dudu saying and adwuma just omo ban police barriers police for checkpoints on they operate but most of them are isolated areas they don't operate KJT chenchiren chensi hoi by 6 o'clock near 2 KJTM and he said John Mahama ba no ka kire KM say say KJT muma soldier for any nam ho anajo muma police for so bom pempe ho anajo
any GPR for akasa
yes
moncha mo driver for mienu omo beba no pa beba nyure
so eno ka say private companies amoye manufacturing musumu ka say yate ase 24 hour no ye be ye bia mukura de obesa chemo large bill amutua na anajo no ye beti so amamo
na tax
ye besa amamo tax incentive esan say bia company bi ti say tabia your friend say Boris B omo adon komuni nasefo mati ase say mu be ya adwuma anajo ni ti no ye say amamo yes electricity bill no ye beti so amamo
zet natural mineral water
ye beti so amamo
bia no osun electricity
that is it enti nya say omo a odi omo ya adwuma na anopa no na beto aso yo da bi ti ase ma aban say me fa nipa 100 anopa omo ya adwuma kopim bia 5 pm from 6 p.m. to the next day 6 a.m. no. But I for nipa 50 and 100 biom aka.
Because of that I qualify for the incentive.
Because of that you be ma tax exemption, you be ma electricity tariff no udi ne be ba form, you be some ma police for na soldier form be bo ho ban.
So that you can also produce more.
So that is what the former president is proposing. Now because hospital here Juma 24/7. Yes, we all know hospitals work 24 but in Krofoko shift. That is why you can see a small health center. Now for nipa nurses and doctors and nipa base 100 ni nyina kwa no pa they will not fit there. It in hospital be you running the best 3 shifts. You omo kwa no pa. You omo kwa awia. And you omo so omo kwa overnight. Inti anopa for no come from anopa to ebia 5 p.m. No be able from 5 p.m. to ebia anadjube say 8 p.m. and 9. Sad time no be so akosum from sad time now to the next day 7 a.m. no so hand you over man opani no
ye won Kumasi atete no na LL AG Timbers
that is it
ye papa no kwa no pa no sia no abopon no sia emo no sia na bus gina ho a de omo call night
no so that is the point
but it was still a private company
so uni and so also ba we also be see Cape Coast Airport Kaudiye so be see Cape Coast Harbor Kaudiye ade no obi dia waka na wani abre ho
o se ne obi no ko competition how can they also
ti ono so kan Cape Coast Airport so be see Cape Coast Airport kona ko ya Cape Coast for baka o manifesto ho John Mahama so on the oba said they establish Ghana cocoa border ye cocoa processing factory na sefo no he is coming to establish the cashew border yes so ye be into processing of cashew said the cocoa na because they say cashew no a pager wo bunu mamu pa it just say
there's a tree crop authority right
yes
which is taking care of cashew why establish
but they don't have that particular acumen like Ghana cocoa board
they on person cashew
yes because they say no mo ye kra na mo de be kan your friend say for no ho ni nyina force under the Ministry of Agriculture ni nyina force under your friend say cocoa board because all nuts ni nyina no coffee ni nyina
cocoa board
ti by separate no na we su on there onu akasa betimi akọji ni syndicated loan just like cocoa board is doing now
okay
it will open it up for more
okay
that is what he's talking about it then one tiasia ube fund trasa yes obnoxious licensure exams me I was a health personnel me be wie no me ye me professional ni wie na me ye school de ni wie na me ba be wie I had to write a professional exam and on supervised by Ghana Health Service any Ministry of Health. Who we are, then that particular exam no will score that how would be can your friend say school dear no. Who bet make school dear when cha licensure exam na you are not we dear by ube sakwa kochurubi. Nti ube hwa nurses bi wo ho a o ma wie school.
So omo da so tro.
Na omo ayi no wo ho. Train da so wo ho. Na omo da so tro. Kopim say ubon say a band na ye white kese no na je say wo twa. So because licensure exams no who school mu na wo tro no preko a e boa. That is what the NDC was proposing in 2020 say there. That 2017 no. That's what 2016. That's what we were proposing. No. Yes. You share school now who baby we no. What try we you know then you write your professional license exam in school. That is it. But you don't finish, go and do a national service and sana
after 1 year or so by
then nipa no redundancy action no. What you say? Oba fie no abrabo mu how ni na sa ne manema ni nyina no. Ebe man abafom. So
mu betwa licensure
exam
school wie no. Na mo de aka
curriculum no ho school.
4 years school no
what license exam in school.
Now I just
that is it.
No prep.
She said the nurses for the doctors ni no pepepe. She said the lawyer for the no pepepe. Until you be free makola no what bar exams
so, right from your pupillage, you know.
That is it.
Call to bar.
That is it. You don't go out before you come and write. No, that one is frustrating. That is what John Mahama is talking about.
Okay.
Into one thing I say, "Oh, but Danny na butua as I'm sorting out there just to suit you." No.
Na better.
My bet he said you will review it. Sure. Me. I should be the last person talking about this kind of thing because me, time I'm here DC, such a front place me banning, and then who say being an ananamo. But during my turn, a cadet kaloto kura me de count, but we were able to ban betting in the whole of such a front place. Because now, effect an nyawo and kolano so no na no ording. It's a small area.
Yeah.
It's a DB pekia spread it is a pandemic.
Yeah.
Nti no nyame adu yes bani ade no na afedi e ehun say academic e na ebo akakra breko pay ye de tax abeto so say one they wanted it to be deterrent or to become revenue generating
incentive for anybody to
my point of view ki taxi companies ni muma is better than taxing the individuals winnings no. That is me.
But the companies are already taxed.
Yes. So, beside they need deterrent. Why raise the tax?
Why double jeopardy?
Yeah, because the no say it's to be able to make it. Your friend is saying deterrent enough. No, you raise all tax now. Also, pass it on to your friends and consumers. No, sir. Who the one city in the rate charge? Say, just all the
5 cities.
Very
expensive.
That is it.
For people to stake.
You see, so if you are reviewing something, you look at, but say a branch ko check, you attend a tax the Daudi cha. Or say, dear, now Bansa say the wedding may say 10%. And then I say, who don't say real Ramante, who don't say real Ramante, but now your music at that particular aspect, you know, they got it wrong. That is what we are talking about. So, no, honey, dear, we didn't see any idea if you say. It was well thought through. The government needed money and they were just hunting for money everywhere. But see, dear man, boy, you far. Let's do it in a way Sabi revenue kakra, but then it should be deterrent enough. Right. There are things in Ghana that are very expensive. It must say, near many bianu boarding cigarettes, the taxes on cigarettes.
And then you probably be a just cigarette.
You get it? The taxes on some of the alcohol beverages. And no crown before say hono yes targeting more crank ebeboa. Some of them may be an anope say kidney issues no enye galamse no kwana de kidney problems arise Ghana. Most of the drinks, especially the manpower bitters no one bitters no. Minia niema ekum ni niema ye mrante ni di gu omum no. And alcohol bia so obenum bia no straight into your kidneys. Na dia yakran say alcohol ni nam na yakan abomu no. Every protein you consume goes to your kidney.
It's a
that is it.
Killing me softly.
And say so confanochi enye ye urada roma. Na de kumi kura ne say More MPP for. Nanu elections ya must Baumiankwa spending over 100 million Ghana cedis. Canada, Japan close to 70 million Ghana cedis. No, two for say. On the 30 cities, not the Maya. Oh, na Utum for ya the Namu Bema Yisika. Mudi 200,000 a buy.
But I know MPP.
Na why?
Justin from Ponkodia, Utum. Omo mucho sa no my from so.
Okay.
Justin from Ponkodia so ya Sante this year. Or your General Secretary of NPP. Nana Nimpon. Tu ana mombi say on to me na on train say MPP di musika be bansa. Na
the affair MPP di omo di
yes, the national organizer. And so say ofri Bokrom heya. Omo ya Asante.
Steven Team so free friends appear krum.
Very good. And you know Justin Kodia Noas bottom sika. Na bi bottom sika. Na central for no mucho no say MPP donate enya no kra.
Nti ye twa MPP di enya sa.
Na me ho.
Na me say ye twa MPP di.
Eno de minim. Dear Justin Kodia kan say afei na ye ko enkran. Na ye ne MPP mpanimfo akodi nkomo. Na ye de Abba.
Oh, na me money di.
MPP first ka bia e me donate.
Ye check am out to me there.
Okay.
Ye check am out to me there.
Mama ko ayo. Mama tell.
Ye di kan yan. We dey nya bao and ODN district chief secretary. Tamo fancha.
Senior DC.
Mencha no na ncha berema safo trobo akodua. Na no ade fefa obi gina otumfo anamu wo Ira President Kufuor ne hokani a afri mu no enamu no eya Asante Maife tibema no maame ana se 1.5 e chiamo ne ahemfo amutie nyina de dikan no mitie minua Eric J but oni ntime nkone ama ne bebre umso wotwe na adwen si kwan bi so ananka wo ya faso your politics aye no personality attacks ne in mpoatwa ne saa nneɛma ne de yatra ho sese ye de obetumi aye ma menchia omampani a otegana akonwa iso na be de akire nyame ya adoma 2025 January Ghana for ahobrasie mu yesre wo mu no mu de na sa si so se president a obiswan January 7th 2025 His Excellency Mamudu Bawumia ebi a wonra na wo na rigu tamale amanfo afi omo opposition no a omo post videos no omo yam hye omo so wunye dom omo so ye joker omo hwe crowd na di wachi no afi de na omo na free bra ye yiwo se MPP di anim no NDC omo na adwendwen esanse ketahye ne project ni wafa ketahye ne project eni wafa ahobrase ene nkabom sunsun a ewo mu obuo ni nidie a wode mampani ne nkwada enti ama nipa nyina pe wasem wo ye nipa o nenso so a wo ye nipa mfomso wo ho nenso so o papa yo ne ahobrase ne traso broso enti wo mo a wo se wo ye cool chop na fe de omo na afekra de fake NDC for say John Mahama Ekono wan kra omo functional executive committee wan kra omo ano oko ebei me gwa minka me pa cho tire to ho me de ya tire da ho ya tire uwi anu aye ya ma anya meeting na otisi mu NDC headquarters Yoruba obia adwuma pa wa ya magana uye nipa yi den ya mfom so be wo ho nanso Ghana fo anya gidie wo mu na sade watie si odomberema edi wachi edi wanim no koso saa na fo wa ho brase na onukredie enante na sade minua Eric J kan no credibility ebe play role e 2024 ya bato mu na me ni minua don kofuseni na minua pani oye DC na me presiding member in November 13 2013 ana John Dramani Mahama ewo pediase o call launch a book Code of Ethics se oye appointee amenye achede esan se ya mamre ne amane emu no achede bi wo ho a woje a eye nanso so amane
achede twetwedo
November 13, 2013. Akyɛdeɛ amammerɛ ne amanneɛ sɛ yɛkyɛ wade a wobɛka sɛ na mmom yɛama nyɔsɛm mu no wodi akyɛdeɛ a wanhwɛ yɛ a na kɔfa sɛm abrɛw. Yɛn nuanom appointees from ministers asɛm a meka 2013. Around 2016, getting closer to 2016. Na yɛwura John Dramani Mahama ɛkɔgye akyɛdeɛ Ford ɛfiri Kanazoy Burkina contractor of sea war ɛwɔ Ghana embassy ho ana ɔto war fa ho at a cost of $120 million owie yɛ na ɔbɛkyɛ ɔmampani car ɔkyɛ ɔmampani car no ɛna Shrage say ɔmampani you breached your own code of ethics ɔmampani a enti sɛ nka ɔni ɔmampani dade a nka mɛsɔre atwa ne puse ba ɔka de a ɔni so dɔnkɔfo sɛ ni ka yɛkyɛ no odwan o wanye enke yɛkyɛ no bɔde o wanye enke yɛkyɛ no sɛbe ɛyɛ hɔ kora deɛ apɔnkye bi ɛne ayi wanye akɔma me ne wodi me bɛdi DC ne sura ɔdan na di no me fa so bi me kɔ ɔyeko ɔmo ma mo odwan kɛseɛ me de odi ma just chief we de agye me se menye ɔyeko ahemfo tie me se na no monye momfa because na minim die nti a me kasa ye call November 2013 a ɔmo preje sɛ ɔmo nye akyɛdeɛ na ɔgye a ɔde bɛto dwa ama obi ahu no ɔmampani John Mahama ne first person ɔno agina hɔ ɛka yɛ no ɔno ade sɛ bu napam no so wadi ɔmampani pen yo Ghana NDC wadi ɔmampani pen wa ma DC wa ma ministers wa ma deputy minister wa ankɔgye akyɛdeɛ o wa ankasa wugina hɔ opedua ase no wo na wubu saa pam no so wasa aba sɛ yɛ nto aba ɛma no in 2016 krono a license exams na me nua don confuse ni you will have been a fine person bi a obeka campaign crafting no ho because the order fa no de sabi it makes sense but on mampani ka some betwere exams National Teaching Council mo betwere nsohwe ama o pilot 778 pacho district mako ensia shai osudokunum krobo apamenya o pilot said this is how I be no in 2016 2015 enti dia na udwane afiri wankasa wasem a woka ye no edia enti na udwane afiri wankasa wasem a sabre no na oye omampani you know the danger obedi omampani ewura mills nyamemfa ne kransie ebra ofiri mu no enti onya opportunity ehwe books nyina mu enu enti na okaya or say I have directed that I have ordered that okay kansa enti tam onu abenya sa to aso so mampani no na sa ne ma ni nyina o wie no sa be ka kire se o ya winam ni nyina ma na ka dompe enti o mampani abedi yewura Mamudu Bawumia
it's back. Okay. And come on, I deny no. I'm say machine no triple kakranti. There 1 minute ago, Sabra back.
Madam, and that's she. Me go back.
Sabra back.
The American say
24-hour no.
The American say 24-hour economy no. Also waka to ho. And also uchirim. Enti yewraba omi asem a o kan say o policy na nkasa na also obi na challenge no say voluntary. E ho na wankasa voluntary o. Animani mo ho na de wanka. Actually, and oba say o ye voluntary. But it is important to say enyenhye. Eno apepepe na yewraba omi e kan. But with the digitalization policy, ene utimi bo wura dwuma bia mu anajo. Utimi bo wura dwuma bia mu holidays. Ema eyeye. And no na make actually say since 1993 under the Fourth Republic, Gaba a dire governance in no and no na Yeraba Umia represent innovation and creativity. He represents that innovation and creativity. And tiam akanye ne mamua Yeraba Umia de bano. Eya amamua sabi ya pache. Nemom omampeni na nado danko Akufo-Addo na amano that opportunity. And what show say you bet to me I am an ye. And it is important. And what I can say Ghana Police Service cameras. Why are our cameras bet you? Or back to now now who's our flouty traffic rules, no? Yeah, fro. And none a yeko. And none say, oh mammy, ya na what na a demo na what you renew health insurance. And yeah, we are now. And na joyaria ka mami I catch us and health insurance we no e ho na ultimi renew. It is important to say ya beti as say and now no enkwada o mokotwe nso wa from planes and come no drones etimi de nso hwe koma a mo twere ye enkwada yi beko free SHS ni bi. Sa gabo no under the Fourth Republic. Gaba de da ya manyo semu and now wakwada yes weighing card. Yes who ye din. Yera Mamudu Bawumia say at the spot. Muma krano number.
Onya
Ghana card. Muma akwadano number. As I'm speaking, over 44 airports used to Ghana card. Me too kwa minka krono. Ba ko ka kire say IGF ana omunya no. Aba form because of Ghana card. Nipa no Ghana card utimi de ba. But nko be ko hono makoje the passport. O ka kire plain. A trail na makacho say abefo nsa no e kwan a ye befa so ye bebu oman ama ndia wako sukuo onko sukuo wonso anya so mfa so eno na ye ka ho asem enti meda ye radonko any of say ye ko no issues e basa emfa tenidie ene ayima na me de me ka kire MPP for ahobrase mu ni say kandifo na ye yi no esan se keta se ne proye eni ne ho. Now what demonstrate say or the amamu mapa ebeba ama ye nyina ye nyaso mfaso mabunu ne mpani ni nyina no sabi ye hwe say ye nso so ye nko atake obi awate nidie kwan so esan say eno na asofo imamufo traditionalist omu nyina ama omu agi ye rabaumia atum say o pesa o de keta se ben no a nyame etumi nti ema na no na ye hwehwe Yera Nana Akufo-Addo enche na wawie ne tenwa enti polling station for omokoto abama Yera Bawumia no omo anyamfom so hwenka bomu asese ode ba party num ba bia wusu se onko obeko enti sadia wa hyase a nra esiremu mantamu edom to di nachi na o kana sam ekire wo mo no yenso so yanhwe so maka he represents the current revolutionary leadership digital economy gaps no oba be bridge na o bridge ne sa ebema yenso so ahoto ene ahobrasea mu yenso so yebetumi anya ni da so
Omanhene.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah, in the NDC there 98.9% nyina say John Mahama na ye obi a ye gini di say na nado tenure of office esu na ofiri ho NDC ye gini say obetimi aye de ben e di yakọ ebu man na maye
98.9.
yes, even in your own party close to 40% of the people believe say Baumia Nanado Jahwa ontimi mbeye ni ye. Your own people o maamu nkrofo ekura nje Baumia na wo ye Messiah wo ye den na hwanhwani no maamu nkrofo close to 40% so omo nyini ndi say obetimi abaye adwuma papa bia magana. Do you get it? And people within the MPP are ready to leave the party because they don't even believe the vision of Baumia. Inti Baumia sabi ade papa bempa na aka wonumu a inti aboro ni beye inti wetimi afamboa nanado. Sa digitization, one economic, anti-corruption, anti-corruption. Inti wate wona sabi ebi di sikegu ye mpase, ebi di sikegu ye politank mu, ebi yi efa yi ye fa de sen state institution church ye freeze musika mu ko yidi dwane nyina no. Wantimi anka bibi ankyere nanado se opani akwa we de ye clear na de asembeba. Enama ye kiri so ye de ye seche. Ade no kiri. Uye de o sekoche. So how can you decouple all of a sudden? You decouple Baumia from Nanado all of a sudden. She said yeah, Baumia wo no ani vision na odeba. Inti bone bem pa na Nanado aye Baumia nti a nyema papa wo ni trimanko betimi dia ma o man na tumpon. Ni ahokyira ye womi ena me no kase sebe apemfo kra ko hospital a SP drug a ye de ma to prevent malaria kra ye nya bi ma omo. Most of the drugs they are giving them is even expired. Some of the maternities who kwa jisi ye choroma no akoto. Ahuhie ekoso wo memu nti Baumia ontimi fa 1 year park won for kakra kra ndum Nanado say penie ye nya ni sei. Me de ye nyina ye nim ni say Nanado ekofi opese osatoa so buman no sa mamu no opese otoa so no Baumia ni obi a owo MPP mu sesi a Nanado tifie kura obeka kyen se da bi makanofori atantena ho mempam no mabedi atuo entena ho mempam no. Do you foresee say Baumia betimi aba no aka kyen kanofori atase mapam no osoro kura enyo mne de ne bae
Adea mo hu say Baumia obi a
Baumia is just a puppet of Nanado.
How?
He's just a puppet.
But he says he's going to be his own man.
For the way.
He has his new vision.
When de ne bae enye kanofori ataga bi ne bedi eti okro ya na de ne bae enye o ma na de ne bae no mo ka kire se tena se obetimi asore ekunya na otra so no kro nim bi odisi ho ma no. So Baumia is just the continuation term of Nanado Autifia or others who control mine no be bien who ebesisa. So if you make the mistakes na Baumia on the vision no do Miss Minia me say is the same at the comment. So for me I am happy for the visionary John Dramani Mahama, a experience in politics and the affairs of state in the whole of Africa now. I can say he's the most experienced. Because Wafani Nyiramo who said the name city, he has sat back, he worked with Rollins, he worked with Atamils, he has sat back behind, seen all the way how not to govern a nation. Buka, I just say how not to govern a nation, not in Nanado ne Baumia title. They are the embodiment of how not to govern a nation. Because Adea Mukaso Munye Biane from 120 billion Ghana cedis debt, you drew over 600 billion. You know, because a syndicated loan for the first time you struggled to get it. IMF Amukache so the first tranche about second tranche the ba IMF say budget now we about near budget I am for scanning ma. This is IMF budget. So IMF budget is what was presented to us. Ultimately, what is the speaker correct? I say, oh, more quite, and more say the end or ya parliament because he say IMF is now wants to even dictate for Ghana how we should do our things. So, Minia, no cry woman say 24-hour economy, it has come to stay. So now, Northern Free SHS or Northern Region, Progressive Free SHS was there. Now, Timi be implementing Free SHS, John Mahama Kaso be implementing 24-hour economy.
It's possible.
It is possible. We will do it. Possible no cry that you're more 70 years. It is doable.
Let me do this.
Okay. Bust the 1 minute. Bust in 2015. Bust made a profit of 109 million in 2015. In 2016, before we were leaving office, Bust made a profit of 88 million Ghana cedis.
Okay, my friend, me and me new penny a wadako.
Okay.
Now he says by the close of day or tomorrow, he's going to issue a comprehensive statement.
Good.
On it.
Good.
It is a he will give me audience and speak to Ghanaians.
Excellent.
Now, as I told you, I'm on for a but I went to NDC. I did a fact check. NDC's manifesto for 2020, the People's Manifesto, page 81.
Okay.
And B, which is the second paragraph. Fuseni, I want you to answer this because there seems to be a little contradiction here.
Okay.
It says the automatic posting of teachers without national service and licensure exams will be reversed under the John Mahama administration in 2021. The automatic posting of teachers without national service and licensure exams will be reversed.
No, read it well. Read it well.
And I'm saying the automatic posting of teachers without national service and licensure exams. Now it's a 1 year licensure exams.
No.
Now 1 year
National service.
1 year national service.
What is happening now?
That automatic posting will not happen.
No.
Tell me
What is happening now? No, yes, sir. Uwe teacher training now. Ubasa koye national service. Is that not what is going on? Uwe national service now. What's our koye licensure exams? That is what we were going to reverse. And yes, sir. Saturday now, no. We stood against the licensure exam right from 2020. Because
it says
reading the actual document.
I'm reading the actual document that said because it is 81, page 81
I've read it myself.
of it, 7.21. Teachers' motivation is under. But the second one, I said the automatic posting of teachers.
That is what we were doing
Without national service.
Yes.
And licensure exams will be reversed. Which means say automatic posting. So ebia unya licensure and now unya national service. They are post to
yes. That is what we were doing. That is what we were doing.
Then you are confused.
So then how are we going to reverse it?
Listen, and because Abia, you are reading the thing wrongly. But I said, bro, for Abia, the comprehension is different. Because time, no, that is what we were doing. Teachers were not doing national service under NDC.
And
the teachers were not doing licensure exams under NDC.
Okay.
And they say, we are you post to automatically. Because what were in out now badada.
Okay.
So we took it say out now that was your national service. Into we post you automatically. That is what we were doing. And they came and changed it. So we are just national service. So we will reverse it back to the automatic posting without national service and the exams.
Then there's a confusion.
Because we are not doing licensure exams.
Confusion.
Reading is wrong. Because that is what we were doing.
No,
what you're reading is what's wrong.
I've not missed one word here.
I am telling you what we were doing.
I want the explanation because it says the automatic posting of teachers.
Yes.
Without national service and licensure exams, which means teachers which were automatically posted.
Yes.
And they didn't write national. They didn't do their national service for this thing, no.
Yes.
You better back.
Yes.
Which means, in effect, you will have to write.
No.
You do national service.
Yeah.
And
What we were fighting for
the whole thing is that
to reverse it back to how we were
and then
doing
you are
it.
wrong. Then what you wrote is wrong.
It could be a mistake, type of mistake, but
very
then,
good. They are making
So it's right.
Because
So
what I
admit it.
read here
And let's
say, no, 1 year national service. Now 1 year licensure exams. Now you post to
Yampene.
no.
That is what I have read here. That is why I'm saying I'm just opposite what the former
That's what I'm
president
also
said.
explaining to you, sir. During our time, there was no licensure
So here the
exam.
meaning is different from
Yes.
what. So I am
That
from
is why
so.
when the former president
So-
tells you, say he will cancel it. No,
I am
it
from
is
so.
based on the fact, say.
And then Mr. Man,
No,
check
and Amika
those
said,
who
maybe
do
the
this thing.
comprehension is different because he said, sir, they will reverse it back to the automatic posting without exams and then
Then
national service.
that is what is there.
That is what, so it should, maybe it should have been reversed back to this particular.
No, reverse is back.
You go explain. Go explain tire. Explain tire.
Omanhene.
Yes.
But what has been our position? The only time what we implemented was that we took out.
Go through the system, write the professional exams in school,
and you are posted.
And you are posted. Okay.
There is no national service.
All right,
that is what NDC was.
One thing about my brother is
that. 1 minute. Okay, sorry. China. Menton the maka crabby na membra mon check. Na bibia akoso kama. Hey, Canada digital satellites open TVs, papa, from 17 to 50 inches. 55, 65, 75 for Albenyabi. Your tabletop fridge, chest freezer, deep freezers, air conditioners. Your fufu pounding machines, or your sewing machines, or hormone industrial there. Your popcorn machine, your laptops, microwave, kettle blenders, and by home appliance. A day about me a day. Kennedy Digital Satellite, Kokrobite Junction, Wager Old Barrier, traffic light, and I say first floor. Family Plaza at Dumbos FM and Chain, Patasi Adum House, first floor. Number 0244 385128, 0244 385128. Now you're creating 3 Herbal Center, a 2 co-capsules, 3 eco capsules, Nabejas, or BRG 3 eco capsules. Unumbia, no one say you Spencer, Nasi Coco Nasi, and Mauyam Suntim, and 2 Timinia free bowels or so, and Cow Baba, 2 Betman Marco Jima, for 0546 107 107, 0546 107 107. Kangen Energic drinking water, alkaline water. Now our hydrogen rich minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, a builder one case, builder BPR, onom Kangen water. Emma won chum, a moja do more fusani kama, acid free, antioxidant, and a fin free umu, obionum Kangen water piano, una and hofefe, the color fefe, the hold and dentain. Bomodin so penidoso porto abrema UGC, Tafuni Road, Abawa route, junction, 0241 449191, 0241 449191, and 0507 379474, 0507 379474. What you ask can rub bank? A yesusu account and a savings fixed deposit. Upesa oje bosia, edi esha wadwumem. Upesa oje bosia kwaya ye. Upesa oje bosia eye bojo. What you ask can na efre wono. Kofi ase ne headquarters. Mampom. Adwase pebo ko abofo macro. Sanso na swami. Dr. Mensa. Ho nyina obehu otu ase kan. Ghana Pay, MTN Momo yeye, Western Union, East Switch yeye, micro groups mun kam bomba mienu miensa. Mo maje bosia na mo fanya wo hia guarantor, wo hia collateral. Your number is 0504 842-957, 0504-842-957. Yay, your savior in rural banking. Wotia sekai. Hebaso. Wunya hebaso capsules. Na wunya cream ne kawa bema wa CPS itao. Bema ni bi bada bridge on ye kra. Obano sorry anopa wo muna. No, I'll tell me Casa no Grandma. Baba did not age now, so libido was through male vitality, and no one capsule, so I have a soul, and in the crib. Now, and Maye, sell hold the dono and this brew. Now, malaria do crow, unya a quaba mal mister, Bomodia alaba kumasi zongo hina himfie chirewa baba kompo wa boabo enkai new fadama salen kamadina zongo junction 0244 634 024 0244 634 024 na bibia koso dimpa ye me yam tutume me su breme me dame na me jeme ho anye me boase twetweme didia na ebo fa me so when nyina also symptoms ama me ne ka na ma me efu ani extra dimpa natural health clinic wo dechem so second floor wala stars dechem so mensia health insurance Canada ni mu a na alcohol ma abefu abibidro book local and foreign ya kabom ya dimfidie sisi so ya lab ya bibia ne aka kire say obi mo diao eye also for 0245 118434 0245 118434 and 0246 744 744 0246 744 744 Grace Gifts Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services. Yay! Stroke and you hear the what to her, or pressure was stroke, a situation yadea no jo wanye, hepatitis no akote nemu yadea, typhoid fever, malaria, ulcer, any prostate cancer and enlargement obema na edwa na edwu se baba so kandro se dan oba wase ebie vagina steaming obeye ne kama the amount infertility awon ho ayede for ni chere Grace Gift Herbal Clinic tete kwantim pono an onam so Kumasi Oshim School Junction Barakese kwan so enkan Family Life International School in English anymore new Achimota Petroleum Banglo Kosher Hospital Papa B 0543 320 030 0543 320 030 and 0244 126 123 0244 126 123 chicken the annually BBC Boris B chicken your food chicken thigh wings breast gizzard layers and your broiler and layers dear honomo your faster rest antibiotics vitamins in senucho I will go na 10 gram onu ani wi anu afon te sa chenchena bi no enya no bia eye fie akokọ ye de fie aduane papa bia ye feed papa ne de man kokoi Boris be say halal to ye kramonia wo bia eye ye ena no pay the slower phrase 05 344 344 53 05 344 344 53 sell body Jackson wa ko abenya bi SG more top high sanso na pogu trade na dum Santas run about any unity oil dish anymore. As one market, Munko, and Abantuma, and Presbyterian dish anymore. 05 4444 4453 344 344 05 344 344 Now say oh yeah party wedding engagement and outdooring. Now person be grilling chicken mawa anuncio the dead no ofre number ya on ba be St Andrews SHS and no one say akwala na ABC person register how say posting near day. St Andrews one of the best private schools school more courses ni nyina omo kire we ya no free ha omo sa eman kwala no ene hanesi omo talents wo ye wo radio station wo ye wo bibia eman kwala no sua de a practical wo e de ma omo ye courses ni nyina ene private school papa SHS there St Andrews SHS asin for su enkan new adubiase du kan of man kesim shama NSF ya sanyu so for 0244 69 6911 0244 696911 Mami abesi ani o seko se obano fa ne bra yem fa ne fa afidie mu yenye test ni nyina nwie ne yema ne ho ntono ye akwara sorry a nsu atoi na ne ho seko se no be free hono se otwa se wanya echo se koko se obuni se anu okam yade ben ena mami abe ntimi muawo ye wotano so apatapa new site apatapa junction hono a 0243 345392 0243 345392 0506 46 0208 0506 02 460208 Z natural mineral water abujunsion to coordinate frasa asiase and the to the from fidie mu asone so krogin onum so ya otim ka say yes I'm from far away that's why and nothing no be black man company the trademark the purity can be rest assured but what do I say odo ani ebeche Kumasi Bremen Westbrook to Junction Chrono Main Road and Atomic and Showman Kwanso Sunyani Mat Robesa Pusu Ahumane Freomo for your wedding engagement outdooring party a yasi ensure na de koche eldin sio koche obi ewo hospital or hifao 0244 620294 0244 620294 Tony Sack Electronics and one say open TVs, fridges, freezers, air conditioners, property electronics, washing machines, property, gas cookers, property, microwaves, property, rice cookers, property, blenders, products way, brand new number one. And one say may come for property about. Sunyani foi, monko Cocoa board runabout. Yene oi terminal leading shanimu. I am more announcement so ya wa depo kese wo Kumasi ye mienu Wesley Matter is Susania triangle no Ezi Karam Kwantimpo mo and sana new Melcom no Kumasi dan kase na no fresh 0500 309 309 0500 309 309 ye twi asia ne de Ashford Princess Ashford Evidence executive friendly and a Galaxy nearly toothpaste na ye Afri-Fresh papa na boso wonya Afri-Fresh herbal toothpaste ala tim say yes what you try was say wonu mu nkai bia ni ho no mo wo se ase nkai bia free ho wonu mu so ada ho titibidi atum say what did ye Fibo Ventures ye dawase so am ye numu atikama ne titibidi na ye kasa nipa nyi o maso enyi o mo hwene free ho number no 053 5452 263 053 5452 263. Thank you so much. CEO Boakye. Why are dear? Na bibia de akoso. Siatica dear for niche 21st. Yaba power ma to ase atwetwe woni so abriwo. Wona ma ebo ho. Eya ye se stroke na ajewo. Na so siatica ma aduma bia. Paboasha okra na se eyifri wo na ase a wonkai. Dadie timi wo na na mo na moja tu no bi afrel o sinade na aye we ansa no akohu no pomodin co 21st clinic we are expert adro eno an se de heba papa eye hwehwemu mfie nwotwe konkro dunie 15 branches ni nyina o fra ye bebo 0540 311 311 ye call center no 0540 311 311 Tachiman Kwanza Sunyan Enkran Domi Market Sanso so na Kumasi ha oversee Johnson Alpha Radio chain obo see a council quarters called Junction. Brave, then you be the Jumana Bibia and day and Kosu Kamama. Lossie Herbal Center, the Virgin Doctor. You didn't know me, sir. Lossie Herbal Mixture. Lossie Locke and a delay. A bois and my performance on Pemono, a bird juma, and my bema yen who ye mani ye. Sexually transmitted infections, ye be ye free ho. Bomadino, so be caught, no aquaji Lossie Locke, next yes, you come up. It's yes, your barman who ye fesse. Now when you're Lossie delay man capsules, so bemage naso. Heba mission so a 3D yadia who do in nana, a yini in free home and we are dang. I no pay Misty Pharmacy. A beer organ yeah Freddie Mens Sam and Co calling that around KO didn't room honeyano who benya be Fred Lawson was 0242 133 577 0242 133 577 near Koya Niman Mizo ye we will be a kama Unda Mizo born a lunchtime so I know pie beer now or spring roll beer. Open the day be bria tam no miso wati. Obo the deeper and on the be out can say obey. Also miso is a meal on its own. A pikama. On the meat on mango no say jaja unya mixed fruit ne kanwa. Now unya 5G ginseng guarana grapefruit grape and green tea can on the anene now was about energy. Santi KF Kunju Nro Hotel so amebenya bi kan kwakuache company elkofodia abinchi honoma VIP cap car no na Sachi Enterprise afei Anumani Taxi Station PNC Ventures wo Mama Esther wa Akon Ventures Otra Baptist University because supermarket or post office abawa Samsung manager Daniel overseas fresh 0246 270 221 0246 270 221 na 21st clinic say yamfan kaiboima wona wo ye ekunafo afi bia omudi juma we sonko afi na du memene da bay wo ye kurani a wotie mi a ko 21st clinic ye be your screening near show free no ngotwe kopim dumienu 21st clinic branches dunum no wo de no answer of 0540 311 311 so was a portable so western so voto baby I will be out there friend number no 0540 311 311 yes you call a hanomo to so boase council court quarters for and I say overseas Kumasia and it's abia ni nyina na bibia nkoso and then you'll be out that na Tony Sakre so yasene property electronics for Veronica Odro aka Mother Efia duku awo krofrom oba mame ya enim kola ni nyina se mautiri kwa mame Veronica edin akuku ampe no wo de Veronica osisi mempe mu frem kuku achanta Edna of Multi Credit today it's your birthday hey hello happy birthday to you Chantel Usa Japan of Kumasi Girls High School from Nanefia of the dish. Hello, Papa. Oh, Mountain Qua. Oh, okay, the dish for Mami Amecha entry J. And now Wawuda, beautiful girl. Happy birthday. Otia Champon of Bruno East. When you fear Dunum. Happy birthday. Brother.
Point of order. Adea now can in free manifesto.
Oh.
Yeah.
A free manifesto.
Yeah, what is in our manifesto is
he
this.
was on the floor
Under teachers' motivation.
Teachers' motivation was here, but I saw no.
Yes. What is there is what I'm reading to you. Or say, D. Abolish the mandatory national services and teacher licensure examination for graduate teachers. Restore automatic employment of newly trained teachers.
Abolish the mandatory national service and teacher licensure examination for graduate teachers.
Yes. And newly trained teachers.
What you are reading is all part of it. So I cannot be wrong.
No, what you read first, that is not our position. Our position is what
on December 24, 2019, Mr. Mahama said publicly that he was going to cancel licensure exams, graphic online, and a report to him. Then, what you read, over paragraph 2 of page 69, it is clear. 2020 NDC manifesto. He says the automatic posting of teachers, a teacher for a movie sukua ni apostumo. Say corner koyem. Ye be yan sa. Say me ba buy more. I just a national service. Now I start trade licensure exams. This is the position of John Dramani Mahama.
We were doing it without it.
This is your leader.
Please.
When you leader, Adea, and nothing I'm the catcher will say, this man, you can't trust him. Onya dia ujini dia eye because on one kasa cry the confusion about the manifesto. She said the minia don't call a brefa. What do you say? Secondly, she and your money be a horn more. And what say? Your my nyina who say so she yera Mamudu Baumia a choir of faso na oye ni campaign. On say Yera Mahama de Abia president from vice president to president. In fact, NDC de omuma nipa mienu from vice Abia president. Yera Mills vice president to president. Yera Mahama vice president to president. Na dia ba kwa Yera Mahama re ya fini ho ne say why president pen. Ma onye just say a vice president against vice president neko contest no. A president ano ya commander in chief of Ghana Armed Forces. Na ocha peacekeeping allowance mu against vice president Yera Mamudu Baumia. And this our culture will say me review me twa free SHS review me license me twam betting me twam. In fact you cry the betting the confusion between Atoforcing and Yera Mahama Atoforcing they will say ono the best crappy sa betting go mo the ban bet so o mo to so Ghana and Yera Mahama so ono do be review so Saudi ama we nyina ya confusion a what NDC mu say however yen ye very focused ye make sure say eniama yaka niama ye beka ye behwe say ye betu sa na mo no pepepepe ne asre Ghana for eniama yakoko gye ba nyina no eye amonimusam Yera Mahama oka so obeye bonkum na oye nifa oka se obeye nifa na oye bonkum ogini dia enyeye.
This is where we draw the curtain on the program for today. Thanks so much, Honorable Fuseni Donko, former DCE, Sechafran Plains, and the current DCE for Kumau Baja Hospital. No could say.
Oh, yes, you're trying commissioning.
But we are Kumau Hospital.
Oh, they all can't send me fan send me wow.
First send the me. First send the me.
Yeah.
Yay!
For now.
Very much.
Yeah, you said.